Hello everyone, welcome to our beauty segment today, where we'll be discussing how to achieve smooth, glass-like skin right from the comfort of your own home. Our first remedy involves something simple yet incredibly effective: ice cubes. Ice helps to tighten the skin and shrink pores, giving you a smoother complexion. Simply wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and glide it over your face for a few minutes every day. It's refreshing and helps to reduce inflammation as well. Next up, we have a fruity solution: papaya. Papaya contains enzymes that help to exfoliate the skin and tighten pores. Mash up some ripe papaya and apply it to your face as a mask. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Green tea isn't just a great beverage, it's also fantastic for your skin. It's packed with antioxidants that help to reduce oiliness and shrink pores. After brewing a cup of green tea, allow it to cool down and then use it as a toner by applying it to your face with a cotton pad. You can also freeze green tea into ice cubes for an extra refreshing treat. Last but not least, we have apple cider vinegar. It's acidic in nature, which helps to balance the skin's pH levels and tighten pores. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, and use it as a toner after cleansing your face. Be sure to moisturize afterwards to maintain your skin's hydration. And there you have it, 4 simple yet effective home remedies for minimizing open pores and achieving that coveted glass-like skin. Give them a try and let us know how they work for you. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more health tips.